Hi guys, it's me, Cheryl Fries, and welcome po dito sa aking channel. For today's video, let's talk about the affordable cars here in Philippine market. So guys, sa video na to, magbibigay po ako ng mga recommended kong mga sasakyan na under 1 million pesos. Let's start with the most affordable hybrid car in the Philippine market. Yes guys, you heard it right. Under 1 million budget, maaari ka nang magkaroon ng hybrid car. Ito ang Suzuki Dzire Hybrid. Combination ito ng gasoline at electric motor to improve fuel economy. It has two variants, the GL CVT and the GLX CVT. Price starts at 920,000 and the higher variant costs 998,000. Ang makina nito ay mayroong 1.2 liter, 3-cylinder engine paired with mild hybrid system. I love the interior color. Beige, ang linis niyang tignan. Though, marumihin siya pero syempre nasa pag-aalaga po yan na owner. Let's talk about the features nitong Suzuki Dzire. It has 6 airbags, rear parking sensor, cruise control, anti-lock braking system or ABS, hill hold control, electronic stability program or ESP. Ano nga ba guys ang ESP or electronic stability program? Isa itong technology na tumutulong sa driver sa mga kurbadong daan lalo na kung mabilis ang takbo mo as madulas ang daan. Naka-detect siya ng madulas na daan. Yung ESP system niya automatically na magre-regulate yan ng engine torque. Tutulong yan sa brake para ma-maintain ng driver yung control niya sa manibela. Next on my list ay ang pinakamabentang sasakyan sa Pilipinas, ang Toyota Vios. Marami sa mga variant nito ang pasok sa ating budget na 1 million pesos. Personally, I recommend the mid variant. I own one XLE CVT, pero kung may budget kayo, syempre you can go to the higher variant. Meron itong 1.3 liter and 1.5 liter gasoline engine, depende sa variant na gusto nyo. Ito yung sasakyan na kahit hindi mo i-market mabibenta at mabibenta dahil sobrang subok na. Napakaraming Toyota Vios sa kalsada guys. For first time car owner, best choice na tong Toyota Vios, especially kung maliit lang yung pamilya nyo at for city driving lang naman. Try to consider this car guys. Another Suzuki car, the most budget friendly car on my list, ang Suzuki Espresso. It has two variants, the GL manual transmission and the GL AGS. Konti lang naman yung price difference nila, so I suggest go for the higher variant with the price of 674,000. Ito ay pinapatakbo ng 1 liter gasoline engine. Yung ground clearance nito ay nasa 180mm, not bad for a small car. The Kia Sonet. Last year lang po ito pinakilala sa merkado. Isa po itong subcompact SUV. Look at the tiger nose grille. Ang attractive, di ba? I like the overall exterior design of this car. Very stylish and elegant. Fuel efficient din to, they claiming an 18.4 km per liter. Meron itong 4 na variant pero 2 variant lang nito ang pasok sa ating budget. Ang LX manual transmission with 778,000 at ang LX automatic transmission na may presyo na 908,000. Ang makina nito ay 1.5 liter intelligence variable transmission, gasoline engine. Next, Geely GX3 Pro. It has a 2 variant, ang S manual na nagkakahalaga ng 729,000 at ang Comfort CVT with the price of 799,000. Ang engine nito ay 1.5 liter. Ito lang yung merong sunroof sa listahan ko. Sa totoo lang napansin ko sa mga Chinese car, panalo sila pagdating sa style, mapa-interior man yan or exterior. Mayroon din itong cruise control. Pero yung infotainment system nito, hindi siya Apple CarPlay at Android Auto. Next na pwede nyo i-consider ay itong MG CS. It's a 5-seater crossover. Personally, I am not a fan of Chinese car. Pero hindi nyo maikakaila na pag Chinese car, loaded yan sa features. At stylish. Ang makina po nito ay 1.5 liter. Provides sufficient power for everyday driving. Isunod natin itong in-demand na sasakyan ngayon ng Toyota, ang Toyota Race. This is a 5-seater subcompact SUV. Mayroon itong 4 na variant, but let's focus on the 1.2-liter engine dahil yung 1-liter turbo variant nito is a bit higher sa ating target budget. Medyo mataas din ang ground clearance nito na 200mm. Toyota Wigo. Actually, for first-time car buyer, I highly recommend this Toyota Wigo. Especially doon sa mga bagong tuto pa lang mag-drive. Mayroon itong 3 variant, ang J manual transmission, ECVT at ang GCVT. Lahat ito ay may 1-liter gasoline engine. Yung higher variant nito ay keyless entry at may push start button. Kilala itong fuel efficient. Ang cons lang dito, very basic yung kanyang interior. Last but not the least, the Mitsubishi Mirage G4 is a refreshed subcompact sedan with a starting price of 793,000. It features 1.2-liter engine and is available with either 5-speed manual or CVT transmission. So ayun guys, dito ko na po tatapusin ang ating video for today. Kung nagustuhan nyo po ang video na to, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Sa tabi po ng subscribe button, meron po diyang bell icon. Pakiclick nyo na rin para po sa tuwing meron tayong new upload, notify ka. So maraming salamat po sa panonood. God bless. Ciao!